Honestly, I don't think that you will believe this. This channel right here generates 6,622 over the last 30 days with an RPM of 766, and it only talks about one single city in the United States. And this is actually content that can be AI generated, or you can just simply use tools like, for instance, Claude AI in order to write the entire script and you just have to read out, or you can hire a freelancer in order to do this that probably only charges a couple $100 per month. This channel right here is also huge. 7,511 over the last 30 days with an RPM of more than 7. This one is a bit smaller, but actually has a lot more subscribers, which is surprising, but still generates 698 per month. And this one has an RPM of 844. This one right here only makes 296, but it is in a very interesting niche, which is the DIY niche. And this one has an RPM of only 254, but it's pretty easy to create. And the last one that I want to show you already made in the last 30 days, 3,253 with an RPM of 712. So as you can see, some of these are a bit smaller, some of these are actually huge channels. And I want to start with the first one because this one is, in my mind, very surprising. This one only has 16,000 subscribers, but already has a revenue of 6,622 over the last 30 days with that particular RPM. Let's have a look at the videos right here. And these videos, they are actually only about one single city, which is Las Vegas. So again, this is a channel that anyone can create. And let's have a look actually at the content, because I think this is going to be very surprising to a lot of you. Well, when we check out the content, it's pretty much just this. This person that created this channel only talks about the city of Las Vegas and mainly about the problems of Las Vegas. And actually you can do this for different kinds of American cities. For instance, there are lots of channels that also do this about New York City. There are some that do that, for instance, about San Francisco. So any city in the United States that faces some problems has channels that basically only talk about these problems. Now, you might be saying, this is only negative news, I don't want to talk about this, which is of course completely fine. These are not necessarily very positive channels, but as we know, bad news sell, and bad news are something that many people are interested in. And I actually think that nowadays a lot of people, they only want to hear the bad news, which of course sucks, to be honest, but this is the case especially for this channel right here. And for instance, the title of this video is How Vegas Casinos Rigged Blackjack Card Counting Pro Exposes the Shocking Truth. So it's a bit of, let's say, clickbait combined with general problems that occur in Las Vegas. And this one again generated more than 6,000 over the last 30 days and has a pretty good RPM. By the way, if you want to see more of these videos, it would mean the world to me if you could subscribe to this channel. So just simply hit the subscription bell right here and also click on all so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. And sorry that my navigation is still in German. So if you're wondering, yes, I am not a native speaker, so I hope you forgive my mistakes sometimes. I'm from Germany. If you're also from Germany, drop a comment. If you're not, please tell me where you're from. Just simply write a comment. I'm from the US, or I'm from, Chile or any other country. That would really interest me. All right, so let's get started with the second channel. This one right here already generated 7,511 over the last 30 days. And this one right here is called The Invincible Game, and it's basically about business. These are business documentaries which are in most cases not even very long. It's like 14 minutes, 10 minutes, 9 minutes, and it's not AI generated. It is just simply stock video after stock video, and that same strategy actually applies also to this channel right here. So basically when we click on any of these videos right here, it is just simply stock video after stock video after stock video. You can get these kinds of videos from, for instance, Storyblocks or from FreePic or any of these platforms, and these platforms actually allow you to use these videos in your YouTube videos. For instance, the platform that I'm personally using is FreePic because, they have lots of different kinds of materials on there, not just stock videos. And as you can see, sometimes there is a bit of text on there, but most of the time it is just simply stock video after stock video. So you can do this as well. And if you're wondering, well, how exactly does that person do it? I mean, in terms of the scripting, where exactly does that person get all the information from? Well, I would recommend you to just simply use this artificial intelligence right here called Claude AI. And with Claude AI, you can actually get scripts written within seconds. Like you can, for instance, say something like, write a script about the problems that Las Vegas is facing in 2025. Make the script at least 2,000 words long, which is in most cases around 15 minutes if you read it out. And then just simply wait a couple of seconds and then the entire script will be done. So you just simply go to platforms like FreePic or for instance Storyblocks, you get these videos, you take the videos, you connect them with of course the audio, which will be generated by you reading out this script that will hopefully be generated in a couple of seconds here in Claude AI. And afterwards then you can just simply put that together, you can post it on YouTube, and that's pretty much it. That is your entire content for this channel. Now the next channel that I want to show you is this one called Fireship, and this one is a lot smaller. Not in terms of subscribers, because this one has more than 4 million subscribers, but in terms of revenue. And you might be saying, well, why exactly are you showing this channel? Well, because it only posts very, very little content. Like for instance, right here, 3 days ago, 6 days ago, 10 days ago. You might be saying, well, this is not, not long ago, but check out the videos, how short they are, like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, again, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. These are very, very, very short videos. And of course, it's clear that if you only post these very short videos, you're not going to make that much money. Now, in the last couple of days, this person posts a bit more, but I think this person posts around twice a week, like 3-minute videos, which I personally think, it's ridiculous. It is a very, very short type of content that is being posted, and still this channel makes around $700. Now, my recommendation would be not to post videos which are only like 3 minutes or 4 minutes long, but rather go for at least 8 minutes, because that will generate a lot more revenue, because there's going to be a lot more ads in the content. But this person chose differently, and this person has some success with it. I think this channel could make a lot more money if this person just posted more often, of course, and posted also videos which generally are a bit longer, like 8 to 10 minutes or even longer, in order to run more ads. But this person decided not to do that, which is fine, but I would of course do it differently. And now let's actually check out the script right here. So this would be the script that we would read out, and as you can see, this is a huge script. And if you think, well, this is a bit too factual, which I would say in that case right here, I would just simply say, all right, turn this into, let's say, like a written script, like something that I can read out for my YouTube video, because in this prompt right here, we only said write a script about the problems that Las Vegas is facing in 2025. I should probably have said, write a YouTube script about the problems that Las Vegas is facing in 2025. Anyway, let's move on to the fourth channel, and this one has a very low RPM, but the revenue 296 is in my mind pretty good for the content that this person is posting, because the person is not posting anything at all anymore. Now, this one is actually a very interesting Faceless channel that is not AI slop content, that takes a bit of work, but as soon as you've posted the content, as you can see, the top videos, they will generate over the years couple 100,000, couple million even of clicks, which is pretty good. And don't forget, this channel makes around like $300 or something per month, but this person hasn't posted in a single year. And let's actually have a look at the oldest videos. The oldest videos were posted 6 years ago. Now, when we check out the new content, of course, it becomes clear that the newer videos, they didn't really attract a big audience anymore. So this person goes for Evergreen. This person goes for content that hopefully performs well in, let's say, a year's time, in 5 years' time, in 10 years' time. And that is kind of the investment that you're making here. So you're investing time and effort into this channel, not to make money in the short term, but rather in the long term, which I think is not a bad strategy actually. And especially the DIY niche is interesting to me, because it's one of these niches that I'm personally not in, but I still think that for some of you who are very creative, that could be a perfect niche to go into. And then the last one that I want to show you is actually a pretty big channel, making 3,253 per month with an RPM of 712, and this one's called Academy of Ideas. And I found this one actually quite surprising, because the titles, they are not really optimized for any kind of SEO or something like that for the search engine on YouTube. For instance, like this one, Escape Mediocrity, How to Stop Wasting Your Life. Or this one, The Psychology of Fairy Tales. Now, these are some very niche topics. Like, I get this one, like why weak people create hard times, the biological decline of the West. Like, this goes into politics. This is something, people click on, but the psychology of fairy tales is a very niche topic. Or for instance, right here, Carl Jung, How Life Changes After 40. Now, one niche that most people don't actually know anything about, in my mind, is the Carl Jung niche. Now, if you post videos about this guy, who is very famous, of course, you use his name in order to draw attention to your videos. And if you put up a channel that only, let's say, reads out quotes of Carl Jung or just discusses his work, then these kinds of videos, they will be going viral, because a lot of people, they actually have problems in their life, they want some kind of guidance, and they get that kind of guidance from Carl Jung, and that's why I would recommend you to actually go into that niche as well. Now, this one is interesting to me because it really only talks about ideas, this channel, and the ideas are brought across in a very simple fashion. Now let's actually have a look at one of these videos, and it's basically quotes and then a couple of historical images, sometimes even, I think, AI images in between. And that's pretty much it. So basically, we read out a quote, we explain that quote, and then afterwards we show a couple of photos that basically relate to that quote. And that is the entire content. And that is what this person is doing every single, let's say, week. I think this person posts about once a week, sometimes even less. And don't forget, this channel actually generates more than 3 grand a month by posting around once per week, even less in some cases, which again, I think is really surprising. All right, so what do you think about these 4 niches? Write your opinion in the comments. I'm very excited to hear also from you where you guys are coming from. By the way, if you want to use the same tool that I'm using in order to analyze how much these channels are making, which is a tool called NextLev, then head to the video description. There's actually a link to the tool. This is the tool basically that I'm using. It's pretty cheap. It costs in euros around 13 euros per month, which I think is around like $15-16 I think per month. It's a great tool. I think many of you will again benefit from it quite a lot. So check it out. Link to it is in the description, and also it would mean the world to me if you could subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we can see each other in one of my other videos.